Hello everybody! You just got done reading My Mouth is a Volcano by Julia Cook, and now I want you to do an activity. So I want you to think about Lewis and Rude Richard and Rude Courtney, because they were interrupting Lewis, and he realized that it's not fun to be interrupted. So he knows now he shouldn't be interrupting his teacher while she's giving a lesson. Now, I want you to think of a time that you felt like your mouth was a volcano, or a time that your mouth was a volcano. And I also want you to draw a second picture. The second picture is how you can stop yourself from having a volcano mouth. So in the story, Lewis was able to, he took it all in through his nose, took a really deep breath, and then he let out all the words with like this without even saying anything. So I want you to do one picture of when your mouth was a volcano and another picture when you were able to let it in and breathe it out. Okay, have fun!